Keeping physical receipts, contracts, and supplier invoices stuffed in a shoebox is a recipe for disaster during tax season. QuickBooks lets you attach documents directly to your transactions, so your digital paper trail is always organized. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload and manage your attachments in just a few clicks. Let's get to it. Whenever you are creating an invoice, recording an expense, or writing a check, look all the way down at the bottom left corner of your form. You'll see a dedicated attachments section. You can click right there to browse your computer files, or simply drag and drop your receipt or PDF directly into the box. Once the loading bar turns green, your document is permanently linked to this specific transaction forever. But what if you just want to upload a batch of documents now and categorize them later? Head up to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on your master gear icon. Under the second column labeled Lists, select Attachments. This is your master document hub. You can drag and drop dozens of receipts here to store them safely in the cloud. Even better, look at the left action column for any document in this list. Click the drop-down arrow, and you can instantly hit Create Expense or Create Invoice. QuickBooks will launch a brand new form and automatically attach that specific document for you, saving you a massive step. Using this tool guarantees you'll never lose a receipt or contract again. If this quick organization guide helped clean up your books today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.